Good evening, YouTube. A little quick update on the old Harrington Richardson project here. Got a little opportunity this evening to do a little something with it. Been working on and off whenever I get a chance. Got plenty going on. This is the one we put the birch blank on. As you can see, I got the receiver stripped down pretty far. As far as the internal components, all of a sudden remember why I hated working on single barrel shotguns. Dilly-dallying with this thing. One of the issues I've run into with this, and I've done it with other single barrels as well, this is a newer model stock. So it was originally designed to only have a short bolt. The original bolt goes all the way to almost the butt plate on these H&R guns. 7/8 hole through there. You got to take and basically whittle out a whole lot of this tang back in the area for the tang back in this, make a web. With that being said, it caused these to track off on you a little bit. These radiuses here. To counter that problem, what I've done is created, let's see downside there, got a 7/8 wood dowel and created a concentric. That concentric I can rotate it around to use it to pull my shoulders up to get my shoulders start matching the receiver better in these areas here, which it is. Like I said, I'm not intending this is going to get used very little at all. It's just fixing something that's broke. What I end up doing next when I get an opportunity is I actually go in here, since I got the receiver down, fill up the area where the main spring was at and the top snap spring with modeling clay, pinholes and stuff. Get all the steel, wipe it down really good, Vaseline, the bolt that goes through it, Vaseline. Any metal parts, wipe it down really good, Vaseline, good healthy coating of it. And I'm actually going to fill this up with epoxy inside of here. It'll take and seal it, get a tight fit. One of the things that happens on these single barrel shotguns, the reason the stock's always breaking at the wrist, especially on the old ones, is over time wood shrinks, and when it shrinks it puts stress in it, and then they become loose, and then they crack and split. By putting the epoxy inside of it, what it'll do, it'll give it something to bond to. It'll prevent this from shrinking, and also make it a more solid. There'll be no gaps in here for it to start splintering and cracking. Like I said, if I shoot it all, I'll probably run around 2 bird shot and just say, "Up, I fixed it. It's done. Looks good. Hang on the wall." But anyway, just want to give y'all a quick update on the old Harrington Richardson while I had time. Hope everybody has a blessed evening. Good night.